Assignment operators are used in Python to assign values to variables. A equal to 5 is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 5 on the right to the variable a on the left. There are various compound operations in Python like a plus equal to 5 that adds to the variable and later assigns the same. It is equivalent to a is equal to a plus 5. You can see a table described in this slide for different assignment operators which were used in the case of Python. Come to the special operators. The Python language offers some special types of operators like the identity operator or the membership operator. They are described with some example. First of all, we are going to discuss about identity operators. Is and is not are the identity operators in Python. They are used to check if two values or the two variables are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. And here the two operators, one is true if the operands are identical, refer to the same object. And similarly, is not is true if the operands are not identical, do not refer to the same object. So let's discuss it with some example. So I'm going to declare a variable x1 equal to 5 and y1 equal to 5. Okay. And next x2 equal to a string called hello, and y2 equal to hello, and x is list, and also sorry, y3 is again declaring like this. Check when the x1 is not y1, definitely it will be false. Check x is y2, it's true, x2 and is strings the same way. Check x again it's a false. Here we see that x1 and y1 are integers of same values, so they are equal as well as identical. Same is the case in the case of x2 and y2, both are strings. But in the case of the x3 and y3 are list, they are equal but not identical. It is because the interpreter locates them separately in memory, although they are equal. Come to the next operator, that is called as membership operators. Here we are going to discuss about two operators. One is in and not in are the membership operators in Python. They are used to test whether the value or variable is found in a sequence. That means a string, list, tuple, set and dictionary. We will discuss about string, list, tuple and dictionary later sessions. And in a dictionary, we can only test for the presence of key, not the value. So for that purpose, we are using this membership operators. Let's take the example. I'm going to declare x equal to hello world. Going to declare a dictionary with a key value pair. Definitely we will discuss dictionary in later sessions. And check whether h is in x. if it's true because h is present over here. Now come to the point, next example, hello not in x. So again it's true because h is a capital letter over here. And come to the point, print 1 in y, again it's true, check a in y, it's false. Here h is in x but it is hello is not be present in x. That means a small hello is not be present. Remember, the Python is a case sensitive. Similarly, 1 is the key and a is the value corresponding in a dictionary. That means in the case here, 1 is the key and this is the value. Okay, hence a is in y returns false. So here ends our sessions regarding with the expressions, variable declarations, statements, and execution of a small program.